Are you interested in learning how to apply textures to your 3D models to hide the lines or simply achieve a different finish? Then stay tuned because I'll show you how. This video is an update of my previous tutorial. This time I'll explain it more completely, showing where to download textures, how to apply them, and how to apply them only to specific parts of our model. To get our textures, we'll go to the browser and search for BlenderKit.com. BlenderKit is a plugin that integrates a complete asset repository inside Blender. We'll download it. Open Blender, go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, and in the top right corner, look for Install from Disk. We install the .zip and activate the plugin. Once done, we'll have a search tool that will allow us to find a lot of assets that can be used directly in Blender without needing to look for them on external websites. We'll need a model with quite a few polygons. I recommend more than 20,000 and less than 500,000. To know how many your model has, you can go to Viewport Overlays and activate the Statistics option. If your model has too few polygons, I recommend using the Remesh option to make it denser. Once Remesh is applied, we need to enter edit mode by pressing Tab, then press A to select everything and then press U. In the options, choose Smart UV Project. Now it's time to select the texture we want to apply. In the searcher, we go to the Materials section and choose one with volume. We are not interested in those that only have color or transparency. Once we've chosen the material, we are going to go to Materials panel and delete it because we only need the texture. We'll see later. Then add a subdivision modifier and then a displace modifier. In this modifier, we'll add a texture and then go into the Texture panel menu. There, we'll find a list of images and our texture will be at the bottom. We need to select the one ending with .height or .displacement. Then we can adjust the mapping or doing it later. Back in the modifier, we must select UV coordinates and UV map. If the UV map doesn't appear, you can try applying Remesh again and then redo the unwrap. We can adjust the strength to our liking. Now, if we only want to apply the texture to specific parts, we'll use the Vertex Groups panel. First, we select the faces we want. Then create a new group and assign the faces. Then, in the modifier, we can select the group. By using vertex groups, we can mix textures. If we want more definition, we can increase the number of subdivisions in the previous modifier. When everything is to our liking, we apply all the modifiers in order and export as STL. That way we'll have a file ready to be sliced and 3D printed.